the old guy pulls it off.
Yeah!
Had a lot of support.
Yeah.
And a successful Anthem reverse triathlon.
That's right.
Reverse, run, bike, swim. Reverse direction. Again, I'm not a newbie out here. I've done this race quite a few times, so I knew the track, and it's my favorite. A lot of new people out here, so if you want to try a try, this is the place to do it. Woo! And this is training with Johnny Schott. Running for those who can't. KP. Woo! Okay, good morning. I'm out here at Anthem and gonna do the Anthem, or it's the reverse tri. And so we're gonna run, bike, swim. Not gonna lie, I'm a little heavy where I should be right now. We got races, the kids are going off right now, but there's about half the people that are normally here, so maybe I got a chance. Maybe there'll be nobody in my age group, so then I have a chance, so we'll see. All right, of course, got the pre-drink, the Rockstar. Woohoo! Let's go get warmed up.
That's my goal. That's my goal. To be the first one in.
I know, I don't think I can have that.
So I've got my shoes on. I'm gonna run in, put my helmet on, my shoes. I got my swim cap and goggles ready for second transition. All right, here we are. And as you can see, it's about half the people that are normally here, so I don't know, maybe this works for me. Woohoo! Let's go. All right, get in the pre-race jogging, and it's absolutely beautiful. Not so much hot, but very humid this morning, so I'm also good with that. Whew. This old heart going.
Cheering on Grandpa.
We got the team here.
Woo!
KP looks waiting on Grandpa. Ready to go?
Yeah.
That guy's in the spirit. Let's go, John. KP, baby, let's go. Woo! All right, keep it up. All right, helmet on. Don't fidget, keep moving. Let's go. Every minute counts. Right here. That's right. Let's go, 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 go. Come on. Let's go, John, come on. Woo! That's good, baby, come on. Woo! And he's off. KP, let's go, John.
Oh, go! No, that guy's too skinny. That guy's too skinny. Let's go! Let's go! KP, KP!
Let's go, KP, go, let's go!
Let's go! got it, Dad. This is what you trained for. Last leg, last leg. You got it.
Hey, P, let's go.
You got it.
Got this, man.
Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. You're looking strong, Dad. You look strong. Less than halfway. Less than halfway. You go, okay? You got it, Dad. Clear lanes. Take a breath. No one in front, no one in back. There you go. Go! You look strong. You're looking strong, Dad. There you go. One more. This is halfway. This is halfway. You got it. You can.
Come on, John.
Let's go. You got it. You got it. This is it. This is where we kick it in. You got less than half. Less than half. We go one more. We go one more. You can do it. This is it. You got it. This is it. All energy. All energy. Good job, Grandpa. You did it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Good job, Grandpa.
Good job.
I'm so proud of you.
Sorry. One more year, Dad. God, you did it. I love you. I'm proud of you.
Killed it, brother.
I'm proud of you. Brooks.
Look at mommy.
Brooks. Hi, buddy. Oh, that's good.
All right, race is all finished up, and I think I did pretty good, but you never know till it's over 100%. But I think we're gonna have some good results. Good run, 24 minute 5K, and then I'm not sure what my bike time is. I'll try to put it on the video. I had a great support system, great cheerleaders this time, and I appreciate everybody for coming out. And let's see, we'll see what happens. Right here, bro.
Great job, John. Great job. Next up, 20.
Let's go.
Woo! And your winner with a 1:11:08.3. Let's bring up Dan Cadrill.
Nice.
Great job, gentlemen. Coming up next, 60 to 64 division. 55 class out here. In third spot, we got
How's it feel? Personal PR.
Second place.
Second place.
The old guy pulls it off.
Yeah.
Had a lot of support.
Yeah.
And a successful Anthem reverse triathlon.
That's right.
Bike, run, bike, swim. Reverse direction. Again, I'm not a newbie out here. I've done this race quite a few times, so I knew the track, and it's my favorite. A lot of new people out here, so if you want to try a try, this is the place to do it. Woo! And this is training with Johnny Schott. Running for those who can't. KP. Woo!
Yeah.
Hashtag Grandpa Life. Let's go get a brewski and fill this baby up, right? Because the best beer is always the beer right after a race.
That's right.
Woo!